Now here we go, part 2, a Brookline ride. Cycling ride en route in Brookline, Massachusetts. Brookline Hills, Green Line T to Amory. Playground, park, tennis. We're on St. Paul. Approaching Beacon. We're going straight on Beacon, so we're staying right here. In fact, I'm gonna wait back here a little bit. All right, we got a green. Make sure I'm good. Nobody's doing anything insane. Straight across Beacon. Into another lane. It's beating the hell. Look at it. Surface. There it is. Whoa, what am I on Harrison? Back in Boston? Brookline, Mass. Taking a right on Freeman. Taking a right. No lanes, no nothing on this one. Careful here. And we're just going to duck right in to the recreation area. There you go, Brookline Hills to Amory.